Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and today we're doing another video, but it's all about app icon design. App icons are hugely underrated. You see them all the time on your computer, on your mobile devices, and they are a huge part of competing with other people. They're the first thing that most people see when they're looking at apps on app stores. So today I thought that I would make a video talking about my favorite app icon designs that I have seen and how maybe you can create them with the sponsor of this video. This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can learn from thousands of professionals teaching classes everywhere from between graphic design, cooking, client management, painting, hand lettering, you name it, it's basically there. If you'd like to learn more about app icon design and learn from one of the professionals in the field, Aaron Draplin, then click the link below. The class is also there for you to check out. Skillshare is less than $10 a month, but if you would like to try it out and get 2 months free, click the link below. The first 1,000 people who click that link will get 2 months for completely free. The first icon that I want to look at is Things 3. So Things is a productivity app. It's basically like a task-based list system, but it goes much more in depth. You can actually create headers, projects, time frames, and you can link things to emails if you use Spark. It's a really cool app that I use a lot of the time when I just need to add random things into the inbox. Now the icon of it is basically this box where you would take out post-it notes and write things on it with a big checklist on it. But the cool thing about it, for me, and my favorite part, is the three-dimensionality of it. It is really nice and 3D. You used to see this type of design in the icon for Instagram and a lot of other ones when they went into this kind of new morphic design. The Things app icon is probably my favorite because of its simplicity and also because I can identify exactly what it is. It's very cleverly done and it's super clean, works very small on a screen, and it instantly captivates you when you see the icon on the App Store. The next one is MindNode. It allows you to create mind maps, app icons, and you can create all these different places where you go, design, color, and then you can create from there, color red, blue, and just go for your mind. It's pretty insane what you can do with this, and you can link thoughts together. And I use this app quite a lot for my design thinking. So when I'm trying to visually show someone where my thoughts were connecting with a branding project, I would normally use this method. Now the app icon itself is these 3 leaves, so they're kind of like nodes sticking out of one area, which is really nice, and it symbolically represents what it does. Not only that, but it works when it's super small, and I'm seeing it all the time on my computer screen. And the reason why I found this app was from the App Store on my iPad when I was looking through finding cool apps. I found this app icon about 4 years ago, and it's been one of my favorites ever since. The simplicity, the colors, and the way that it works on my devices is really nice. Now this next one is an app icon that I found on dribble.com when I was searching for app icons. I like to keep them in my mood board, but the cool thing about it is this: it animates really nicely. It's an app icon, turns into an eye and makes sense. It's super cool and nice. Also, I'm a massive fan, like everyone else, of clever logos when they can make the words go like this into this sort of shape to make you look cool. It works when it's small. The colors could be a bit more vibrant on the app, but it could be just the brand colors they're using. The actual motion of this that you're seeing here works really nicely as well. I like the fact that it looks so happy when it's doing that, and the way that it animates to show the full logo inside of the app icon is really nice. Now my all-time favorite is this one here. This one is unreal. This is not even a real app icon or a real app. It's not even one that you can buy. It's just one that I found on Dribble by the user. I don't know how to say his name, but he's right there and you can follow him. This is basically an really realistic icon, and there's something about it, the way that he's got the light and the shadows, that really catches my eye. Even when it's small, it looks really cool, very creative, very simple. Again, I'm not too sure how well it would work on a commercial use, but the app icon design of it is really nice. I really love the feel of it. It's really fun, and the colors maybe could have changed, but I like it. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe you in the comments could let me know what you think I'm thinking of, if that makes sense. But there's just something about it, the realism of the water droplets so perfectly formed in there. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have an app icon that you like, make sure you let me know down in the comments section, write something down there and I'll have a look at it as well. I just want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to learn how to design an icon, click the class down below in the description where you'll get 2 months completely free if you're one of the 1,000 people that clicked the link. So you might as well go and click it right now. After that, it's less than $10 a month, so have your way at Skillshare, learn some new things. I use it all the time for lettering and logo design. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video when I upload. And if you have an idea on any videos that you would like me to do, then also let me know down in the comments. I do read them and I do take your suggestions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.